The summer market is sizzling and why you shouldn't wait until fall. Hey there, if you've been waiting for the right time to make a move, I have some fascinating news fresh off the press. Our summer real estate market isn't just warm, it's downright peppy. Here's a quick look at the numbers shaping our market right now as of June 22, 2026. The inventory crunch. We currently have 28,540 homes for sale across the market. While that sounds like a lot, it's actually 4,500 fewer listings than we saw at this time last year. Less competition for sellers? Check. Sellers are speeding up. Back in mid-April, we were averaging a solid 200 sales a day. Fast forward to June, from June 1st to the 19th, and we've already smashed 4,021 sales, pushing us up to an impressive 211 sales per day. A record-breaking quarter. We are on track to wrap up June with roughly 6,500 sales, which means 13,000 sides of a transaction. That puts this quarter at a whopping 19,000 total sales. Should I wait until the fall? I get asked this all the time, which is better, right now or fall? The good news, you're in a great position to consider both, but there is absolutely no need to wait. Here's a little insider secret. Real estate markets are all about timing the spring. If we had experienced an early spring market, summer would be sluggish and slow. But because we had a late spring market, that momentum is shifting directly into a high energy summer. The incredible pace we are seeing right now is going to roll right past June 30th and carry straight through July and August. The bottom line, buyers are out, inventory is tighter than last year, and the summer momentum is officially here. If you want to take advantage of this beautifully active summer market while the numbers are heavily in your favor, let's chat today. Let's figure out what your next move looks like.